In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your Moomoo password. Whether you've forgotten it or just want to update it for security reasons, resetting your password is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Moomoo app on your device. Once the app is launched, head over to the login screen. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your login information. Instead of attempting to enter an incorrect password repeatedly, look for the option to reset it. Go ahead and enter your email address or phone number associated with your Moomoo account. This is an important step as it helps verify your identity and ensures that the password reset link or code is sent to the correct contact information. After entering your email or phone number, you'll notice an option labeled Forgot Password. Tap on this option. This will take you to the next step where you can choose how you want to reset your password. Moomoo allows you to reset your password either through email or via a phone verification. Select the method that is most convenient for you. If you choose to reset via email, make sure you have access to your inbox. Similarly, if you opt for phone verification, ensure that your phone is nearby. Once you've made your choice, you'll be required to enter some details. For email, this might involve confirming your email address, while for phone verification, you might need to confirm your phone number. After submitting the necessary information, keep an eye on your email inbox or text messages, as Moomoo will send you a verification code. Now, it's time to enter the verification code that was sent to you. This code is crucial as it confirms your identity and authorizes you to proceed with creating a new password. Type in the code carefully to avoid any mishaps. If you don't receive the code immediately, check your spam folder or ensure that your phone has a stable network connection. With the verification code successfully entered, you can now create a new password. When choosing your new password, try to make it strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessed words or numbers, and consider including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've decided on a new password, enter it and then confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. And there you have it, that's how to reset your Moomoo password. By following these steps, you can regain access to your account with ease. Remember to keep your new password secure and update it regularly to maintain the security of your account. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.